Hello everyone, I'm Monica Rana. This is Jago Himachal 365 डर के नहीं डट के and you're watching Hillquest News. So let's start with the headlines. Himachal Pradesh logs 1,262 new COVID-19 cases, 30 deaths. 3 arrested, over 300 kg marijuana seized in Himachal Pradesh. Central Vista project vital and essential work to continue. Mamata Banerjee requests Prime Minister Narendra Modi to rush an order recalling Chief Secretary, says will not release him. With 1.52 lakh new COVID cases, India sees the lowest daily rise in 50 days. 40% deaths, 35% of total cases in 29 days in Punjab. COVID-19 restrictions in Maharashtra extended till June 15. Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister visit along China border. Now news in detail. Himachal Pradesh logs 1,262 new COVID-19 cases, 30 deaths. Himachal Pradesh reported 30 COVID-19 deaths and 1,262 positive cases on Saturday, while 2,738 patients recover. The state has 1,88,604 confirmed positive cases, of which 16,989 cases are active, 1,68,524 patients have recovered, while 3,070 patients have died. Maximum of 11 deaths were reported from Kangra district, 5 each from Mandi and Solan district, 4 from Sirmaur, 3 from Shimla and 2 from Kullu district. Positive cases reported included 65 from Bilaspur district, 109 from Chamba, 95 from Hamirpur, 290 from Kangra, 33 from Kinnor, 67 from Kullu, 12 from Lahol Spiti, 181 from Mandi, 111 from Shimla, 119 from Sirmaur, 120 from Solan and 60 from Unna. 3 arrested, over 300 kg marijuana seized in Himachal Pradesh. 3 people have been arrested and over 303.056 kg of cannabis was seized from them at Shipur village on the Paonta Sahib Puruwala road in Sirmaur district around 2:40 am last night, police said on Monday. Police said it was the highest ever seizure of marijuana in the state. Marijuana is sold for rupees 50,000 per kg, while good quality contraband fetches even higher returns, claimed police. Paonta Sahib DSP Bir Bahadur, who monitored the seizure, said SHO Puruwala Vijay Raghuvanshi stopped a truck for checking, and during a search, 31 parcels wrapped with brown sellotape were found. Central Vista project vital and essential work to continue. The Delhi High Court on Monday allowed the construction work of the Central Vista project to continue, saying it was a vital and essential national project. A bench of Chief Justice D.N. Patel and Justice Jyoti Singh dismissed a plea seeking to halt the project during the coronavirus pandemic, saying the petition was motivated and not a genuine PIL. It imposed a cost of rupees 1 lakh on the petitioners. The court said under the contract awarded by the Shapoorji Pallonji Group, Group, work had to be completed by November 2021 and therefore it should to be allowed to continue. Mamata Banerjee requests Prime Minister Narendra Modi to rush an order recalling Chief Secretary, says will not release him. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee on Monday wrote to Prime Minister Narendra Modi requesting him to withdraw the centre's order recalling Chief Secretary Alpan Bandyopadhyay and said her government is not releasing the top bureaucrat. In a 5-page letter, Mamata Banerjee urged the Prime Minister to reconsider the centre's decision to recall the Chief Secretary after giving him a 3-month extension. Mamata Banerjee said she was shocked by the centre's decision and termed the order as unilateral, which was issued without any prior consultation with the state government. With 1.52 lakh new COVID cases, India sees the lowest daily rise in 50 days. India reported the lowest daily new coronavirus infections in 50 days with 1,52,734 cases, taking India's total tally to 2,80,47,534, while the active case load further declined to 20,26,092, according to the Union Health Ministry data updated on Monday. The death toll climbed to 3,29,100 with 3,128 daily deaths. The data updated at 8 am showed Recoveries continued to outnumber the daily new cases for the 18th consecutive day. The number of people who have recuperated from the disease surged to 2,56,92,342 with 2,38,022 patients having recovered in a span of 24 hours, while the case fatality rate stands at 1.17%, the data stated. Also, 16,83,135 tests were conducted on Sunday, taking the total cumulative tests conducted so far in the country to 34,48,66,883, while the daily positivity was recorded at 9.07%. It has been less than 10% for 7 consecutive days, the ministry said. 40 deaths, 35% of total cases in 29 days in Punjab. Even as the COVID cases and deaths are on the decline, May has proved to be the worst month so far as the state reported over 35% of the total COVID cases and 40% of the total deaths in just past 30 days. In the last 1 month, the state reported around 2 lakh cases and around 5,500 deaths. The second wave was hit the state badly. In the last 2 weeks, the state witnessed a decline in the case as well as deaths. The first case of COVID and deaths in the state was reported last year in March. Since then, the state has reported 5.23 lakh cases and over 14,300 deaths. However, the last 2 months have proved worst. Putting together the cases and deaths reported in April and May, the state reported 3.25 lakh cases and over 7,500 deaths. It means in the last 2 months, around 58% of the total cases and 53% of the deaths were witnessed. COVID restrictions in Maharashtra extended till June 15. The Maharashtra government has extended the lockdown like curves till June 15 and also announced that relaxation will be granted depending upon the COVID-19 positivity rate and availability of oxygen beds. In municipal corporation or regions of districts with less than 10% COVID-19 positivity rate and where the availability of occupied oxygen beds will be less than 40%. All the establishments and shops engaged in essential commodities and services that are presently open from 7 am to 11 am can now remain open from 7 am to 2 pm, the government said in an order on late Sunday. For districts and corporations having more than a 20% positivity rate and where over 75% of oxygen beds are occupied, the borders of such districts will be closed and no person will be allowed to enter or exit in such districts. Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Jairam Thakur visit along China border. The visit of Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Jairam Thakur to the border areas of Kinnaur district on Friday resulted into a political battle with opposition Congress questioning sudden move of Chief Minister to visit the areas along India-China border. State Congress President Kuldeep Singh Rathore said that China is building concrete houses and roads along the state border and the state government has ignored the situation. Jairam Thakur, however, refuted the Congress allegation by saying that such statements are strategically important issues are unfortunate. Jairam Thakur, while interacting with media persons in Shimla on Sunday, said that all this issue does not need to be discussed politically and Congress should understand this. So this is all. Stay connected and keep watching Hillquest News Channel. Thank you.
हेलो हिमाचल 365 टीवी सूचना समाचार मनोरंजन एजुकेशन और भी बहुत कुछ लेकर आ रहा है.
This is Himachal 365 TV and you're watching Hillquest News. I am Garima.
मेरा नाम है आशीष.
ये है हिमाचल 365 टीवी और आप देख रहे हैं हिलक्विस्ट टीवी न्यूज. हम जल्द आ रहे हैं पूरे हिमाचल की ताजा तरीन खबरों के साथ. हर तरह के समाचारों के लिए देखिए हिमाचल 365 टीवी और जुड़े रहिए हिलक्विस्ट न्यूज के साथ. Good evening, I am Garima. This is Jago Himachal 365 TV. डर के नहीं डट के and you're watching Hillquest News. Let's start with the headlines. Decision on class 12th exam would be taken in 2 days, Centre tells SE. As SE raised questions over vaccination policy, Centre says all eligible to get dose by year end. Twitter has to comply with new IT rules for digital media, says SE. Delhi HC reject drug controllers report on Gautam Gambhir over hoarding case. Policy must change as per ground situation. Supreme Court on mandatory COVID registration for COVID-19 vaccine. Delhi to receive Sputnik V vaccine after June 20, says CM Kejriwal. Bihar extends COVID-19 lockdown till June 8. National President of Bharatiya Janata Party, Shri Jagat Prakash Nadda, laid the virtual foundation stone of 2 oxygen plant for Himachal Pradesh. Now news in detail. Decision on class 12th exam would be taken in 2 days, Centre tells SC. The Centre on Monday told the Supreme Court that it would decide in 2 days if ICSE and CBSE class 12 board examinations would be conducted this year amid COVID pandemic. At the outset, Attorney General KK Venugopal urged a bench led by Justice A.M. Khanwilkar to adjourn the matter, saying a meeting had been called to take a decision on the issue. No difficulty, you can take a decision, but if you are departing from the policy last year, you must give good reason as the last order was after detailed deliberation, the bench told Venugopal. As SC raised question over vaccination policy, Centre says all eligible to get dose by year end. The entire eligible population will be vaccinated by 2021, and the Centre on Monday told the Supreme Court after the top court questions the vaccination policy. The Supreme Court has questioned the Centre on mandatory registration on CoWIN app for COVID vaccination. It said people in rural area may face difficulties. Twitter has to comply with new IT rules for digital media, says HC. Twitter has to comply with the new information technology rules for digital media if they have not been stayed. The Delhi High Court said on Monday, Justice Rekha Pali issued notice the Centre and social media platform Twitter seeking their stand on a plea by lawyer Amit Acharya claiming non-compliance of the rules by it. Delhi HC reject drug controllers report on Gautam Gambhir over hoarding case. The Delhi High Court on Monday slammed the drug controller's status report on Bharatiya Janata Party BJP leader Gautam Gambhir into the allegation that he and other hoarded essential medicine to treat patient of coronavirus disease COVID-19. Dismissing the report as trash, the court said that there is no legal basis for it. We reject it here. If you are not being able to do it, then we will get it done by someone else. It said while hearing the public interest litigation, PIL seeking a first information report against Gambhir and other involved in the matter. Policy must change as per ground situation. Supreme Court on mandatory COVID registration for COVID-19 vaccine. The Centre found itself in a difficult spot when the Supreme Court on Monday flagged various flaws in its vaccination policy, including the need of making COVID registration mandatory without keeping India's digital divide in mind. Observing that policymaker must have an ear on the ground. A special bench of Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, Alan Rao and S. Ravindra Bhatt asked the Centre as to how it plans to address the issue of digital divide since it has made COVID registration for vaccine mandatory. The Centre found itself in a difficult spot when the Supreme Court on Monday flagged various flaws in its vaccination policy, including need of making COVID registration mandatory without keeping India's digital divide in mind. Delhi to receive Sputnik V vaccine after June 20, says CM Kejriwal. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said on Monday that the national capital will receive its first consignment of Sputnik V vaccine after June 20. Delhi government has been in talks with Dr. Reddy's, the firm that is importing as well as manufacturing the vaccine in India. Vaccine for the 18 to 44 age group in the national capital has been halted for a week as it has run out of vaccines, according to Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia. The Centre has written to them and told them that a new tranche of doses will be made available to them June 10 onwards. Bihar extends COVID-19 lockdown till June 8. The Bihar government on Monday extended the ongoing COVID-19 lockdown across the state for another week, till June 8 to curb the spread of coronavirus. In a tweet, Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar said, in view of the coronavirus, it has been decided to extend the lockdown by 1 week till June 8. But an additional discount is being given for business. Everyone wear masks and maintain social distances. Highlighting the technical difficulties faced by the people in rural areas, the Supreme Court on Monday questioned Centre on mandatory registration on the CoWIN app in order to get vaccinated. It added that there is digital divide in the country and the policymakers should pay attention to the realities on ground. This comes as cases continue to rise in rural part of the country, with vaccination numbers lagging behind. Meanwhile, the central government told the Supreme Court that it will be able to vaccinate the entire adult population in India by the end of 2021. National President of Bharatiya Janata Party, Shri Jagat Prakash Nadda, led the virtual foundation stone of 2 oxygen plant for Himachal Pradesh. National President of Bharatiya Janata Party, Shri Jagat Prakash Nadda, led the virtual foundation stone of oxygen plant for Himachal Pradesh and dispatched COVID relief material for Himachal Pradesh. The Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh, Jairam Thakur, was also involved in the program and addressed the program. State BJP President Suresh Kashyap was also virtually present in the program. This oxygen plant are being set up in the collaboration with Anurag Thakur, Member of Parliament and Union Minister of State for Finance from Himachal Pradesh. Even before this, relief material of Himachal Pradesh have been sent by Honorable National President many times. On May 16, the Honorable National President had sent a large amount of COVID relief material for all the 12 districts of Himachal Pradesh under the Seva Hi Sangathan 2.0 campaign. Along with the cooperation of Shri Anurag Thakur, he had also flagged off 17 medical units, including medical equipments of MP, Mobile Health Service, and left for Himachal Pradesh. 2 PSA oxygen plants are being installed in Bilaspur and Hamirpur district of Himachal Pradesh. Both these PSA oxygen plants will have a capacity of 140 LPM. An oxygen plant will supply oxygen seamlessly to 30 beds. In this way, a total of 60 fleet will benefit from this. Along with this, COVID relief material include 8 oxygen concentrator, 105 oxygen cylinders, 200 oxygen regulators, 400 oxygen masks, 200 face shields, 200 plus oximeters, 50 thermal scanners, 3,500 PPE kit, 3,000 N95 masks and 500 sanitizers are included. The oxygen concentrator being sent to Himachal Pradesh have a capacity of 5, 8 and 10 liters. These materials are being sent by Mr. Anurag Singh Thakur to Himachal Pradesh. Thank you and stay connected with Hillquest.
हेलो हिमाचल, हिमाचल 365 टीवी सूचना, समाचार, मनोरंजन, एजुकेशन और भी बहुत कुछ लेकर आ रहा है.
This is Himachal 365 TV and you're watching Hillquest News. I am Garima.
मेरा नाम है आशीष.
ये है हिमाचल 365 टीवी और आप देख रहे हैं हिलक्विस्ट टीवी न्यूज. हम जल्द आ रहे हैं पूरे हिमाचल की ताज़ा तरीन खबरों के साथ. हर तरह के समाचारों के लिए देखिए हिमाचल 365 टीवी और जुड़े रहिए हिलक्विस्ट न्यूज के साथ.